Look at him. Look at him. Well, boys. Another part doesn't fit. But we're gonna make it fit. Fucking check her out. My machine was down. Fucking try and show you guys the fucking steering cylinder went. I couldn't steer. But Kevin, the beauty, fucking fixed it.
Fuck, there's the star of the show. The show wouldn't be possible without this fucking guy. Yeah. Hey! Hey!
Actually does the NOS refill.
Where's she get sent?
We got the old energy churner. Recirculating all the birchery. Oh, ooh, ah. And we got some fire sparker pumper. Just pumps the fire sparker right into the old exploder. That exploder thing under there makes these things fucking rotate. Get it full of the fire burner, and then the old battery recircuiter. Fuck, boys. And the old fucking Justin Trudeau doesn't like these, man. Fucking sending fuel through those lines, man. Don't let Justin Trudeau see this fucking. We're sending pipeline, fucking fuel line, sparker eater liquids. Fuck. About to make another mess. Dad's gonna kill me. Look at the new hood. Fuck, boys. Well, I'd figured I'd bring you guys along before I get too far down the fucking road here. Oh yeah, spill it all over Dad's driveway. He loves that. I guess put the old one in the box there, Zach, before you fuck up any further. Brand new. And we got an alternator, but I already snapped the fucking choocher off, so we got some JB Weld on her. See how easy this one goes in. Hopefully I don't break this as well. We just break the alternator before we even get it in. Had to throw some JB Weld on the fucking dinker. Couldn't frickin' spell sketchier. We got new electricity senders. We're running the old two blacks, black positive. But we got this to let us know. Didn't want to get all the way to the starter, you know. That'd be something like a big job, so we didn't want to even change that. So, but we did get a new sender to the frickin'. Get a new sender onto there. And then we're gonna frickin' ground her to the old frame as well. There we got a new power plant on her, running the brand new frickin' negative ground there, right to the fucking. Look at this, people. Not the fucking cleanest install, but we got a brand new power sender with frickin' electricity wires there. Electricity senders. Kid's just making progress here. He's got the new radiator in. Fucking lines just all over the place. We're gonna get these sorted soon. Fucking grounded her to the frame. We got the new fucking. We got the black positive. Brand new fucking. Brand new carb prenew. We're gonna put the coolant in now. Well, she's living and breathing off of her own fucking juices, boys. Oh yeah. Living off her own juice.